Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Ripple begins testing RLUSD Stablecoin on Mainnet. Next, new all-time high for Bitcoin incoming, says crypto analyst Michaël van de Poppe. Here's the timeline. Also, here's when the altcoin market could stop bleeding against Bitcoin, according to top analyst Benjamin Cowen. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, Ripple begins testing RLUSD stablecoin on Mainnet. Ripple believes the total stablecoin market will have swollen to $2 trillion by 2028 as demand for the low volatility fiat-pegged tokens grows. On August 9th, Ripple Labs announced the first tests of its United States dollar-pegged stablecoin, Ripple Labs Ripple USD, or RLUSD, on the XRP Ledger, or XRPL, and Ethereum mainnets, with plans to deploy the fiat-backed token on additional blockchain networks in the future. According to Ripple Labs, the upcoming stablecoin will be over-collateralized, meaning that each unit of RLUSD is backed by USD reserves or short-term cash equivalents in a bank at a ratio of 1-to-1 with the US dollar. To guarantee transparency and accountability, Ripple also promised third-party audits of the underlying cash assets and monthly reports published on the reserves. The crypto firm also reiterated its commitment to using both XRP and RLUSD to serve markets, quelling rumors that the firm would abandon XRP to focus on its new stablecoin. In the announcement, Ripple Labs stressed that the stablecoin was in beta testing with enterprise partners and cautioned users against scammers purporting to sell or provide early access to RLUSD, which is not currently available for purchase or live trading. Ripple hit with $125 million penalty in SEC lawsuit. The mainnet tests of RLUSD followed an August 7th ruling from Judge Annalisa Torres imposing a $125 million penalty on Ripple Labs in the Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit, which was first filed in 2020. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse hailed the penalty as a victory against the SEC, which requested the court impose a staggering $2 billion fine against Ripple Labs for the alleged securities violations outlined in its lawsuit. Unsurprisingly, the price of XRP responded to the news with positive price momentum, soaring by 26% and reaching a high of 64 cents on the same day the ruling was issued. XRP Ledger sees a sharp decline in transactions. Despite positive developments for Ripple, the XRPL experienced a 65.6% drop in transaction volume in the second quarter of 2024, according to Ripple Labs' Q2 2024 XRP Markets report. Ripple's report revealed a sharp decline from 251,397,881 transactions in the first quarter to just 88,388,029 transactions in the second quarter, accompanied by a significant rise in average cost per transaction on the ledger. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, new all-time high for Bitcoin incoming, says crypto analyst Michaël van de Poppe. Here's the timeline. A widely followed crypto analyst says Bitcoin will soon crawl back to life from the depths to reach new heights. Crypto trader Michaël van de Poppe tells his 722,100 followers on the social media platform X that he has reason to believe that BTC has already made it through this correction cycle's low. Bitcoin is printing a massive weekly candle. If this closes above $57,000, then it's very likely that we've seen the low of this correction. According to Poppe, institutional investors are pouring major capital into BTC at current prices. Massive day yesterday as Bitcoin broke above $60,000 and had close to $200 million in inflow in the asset. Institutions are buying. With these factors in mind, the analyst suggests that BTC's current correction is similar to a black swan event that will kick off the flagship crypto's next big rally to new all-time highs. Bitcoin did provide a V-shaped recovery through which this correction and crash due to jump trading selling crypto assets is comparable to COVID-19, a black swan. As long as Bitcoin holds above $57,500, I think we're in for a new all-time high in September/October. BTC is worth $59,910 at time of writing, down 5.5% in the last week. Our next top headline, here's when the altcoin market could stop bleeding against Bitcoin, according to top analyst Benjamin Cowen. Analyst Benjamin Cowen is saying that the altcoin market could stop bleeding against Bitcoin when one key event occurs. In a new video, Cowen tells the 806,000 subscribers of his YouTube channel that a reliable gauge of the altcoin market is the performance of Ethereum against Bitcoin, or ETH to BTC. Cowen suggests that once the ETH to BTC trading pair reaches the range between 0.04 BTC and 0.03 BTC on the weekly chart, which it just touched, Bitcoin dominance, or BTC.D, could soon start to decline. The BTC.D index tracks how much of the total crypto market cap belongs to Bitcoin. A declining BTC.D suggests that the altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin. When we talk about the altcoin market as a whole, I do think that the ETH to Bitcoin valuation is instrumental in helping us understand, is the altcoin market going to do well or does it face some troubles? And one of the things that we've said this year, and really for the last 2.5 years, is that altcoins will likely continue to bleed back to Bitcoin until the ETH to Bitcoin valuation goes to the 0.03 BTC to 0.04 BTC range. Now ETH to Bitcoin just hit 0.04. Okay, so the upper target of the range that we said a long time ago, years ago, has finally been hit. After all this time, it's finally been hit. ETH to BTC is trading for 0.04276 BTC, or $2,560 at time of writing, up 1.45% in the last 24 hours. Cowen believes that BTC.D may peak within months. I've said many times I do think we could see dominance top in September at the earliest, could also top in December potentially. At time of writing, BTC.D is hovering at 57.64%. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.